Cow's milk, a staple in many households, is renowned for its many health benefits. With its high nutritional value, it provides essential vitamins and minerals that cater to the body's needs. An excellent source of calcium, cow's milk plays a pivotal role in the development and maintenance of healthy bones and teeth. Calcium is crucial, especially for children and teenagers, whose bodies are growing and changing rapidly. Adequate calcium intake through cow's milk can help prevent bone-related issues, such as osteoporosis later in life. In addition to calcium, cow's milk contains a considerable amount of protein, which is vital for the repair and building of muscle tissues. This makes it an ideal drink for athletes and people who have active lifestyles. Protein in cow's milk comprises all 9 essential amino acids that the human body cannot produce on its own. Cow's milk is also fortified with important vitamins such as vitamin D, which aids in calcium absorption, and vitamin B12, which is necessary for red blood cell formation and maintaining neurological function. The presence of riboflavin, vitamin B2, helps in energy production, converting food into energy efficiently. The fat content in cow's milk should not be overlooked, as it is a source of energy and also helps in the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins like vitamin A and vitamin D. There are various types of cow's milk available, ranging from whole milk to skimmed milk, catering to different dietary needs. Furthermore, cow's milk contains potassium, which helps in regulating blood pressure, and phosphorus, which works alongside calcium to promote healthy bones and teeth. And let's not forget the boosting of the immune system due to the presence of antibodies and other nutrients. With its numerous health benefits, cow's milk remains a beneficial addition to the diet when consumed in moderation. Understanding its nutritional value helps appreciate why this age-old beverage continues to be recommended by nutritionists worldwide. However, individuals with lactose intolerance or milk allergies should seek alternatives to accommodate their dietary restrictions. In conclusion, cow's milk provides an impressive range of nutrients that support overall health and well-being, making it a valuable component of a balanced diet.